Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys my simple wash routine for 4C hair. So I feel like I should tell you guys a brief history about my hair journey since I get questions on it. So I've been natural for about 6 years now, since 2016, where I only started taking my natural hair growth journey seriously towards the end of 2017. I've always had really thick and voluminous hair. I'm a very hairy person, so I guess that's why. Because people ask me what I put on my hair, and honestly, I don't do much to my hair. I'm hairy, and I think that's where the hair comes from. So, yeah. So here I was just, contemplating if I really wanted to wash this hair myself. I was very exhausted, very tired, but I already said I was going to do it. I just had to go through with it. So basically, I like to detangle my hair before washing so that I have less breakage. You can see here it was really difficult for me to comb my hair without water. Water is life when it comes to natural hair. So I just sprayed little water on the hair. I had water and little bit of leave-in conditioner in the spray bottle, so you can see how easy it is for me to comb through. So I like to part my hair in 2 sections or 4 sections. I usually go from 2 then 4. It makes it easier for me to manipulate through my hair when combing, because my hair is really thick and very stubborn sometimes. I had a ponytail I did some months back and it was a nightmare. So I had a bald spot after taking out the ponytail and it wasn't funny. So I did a homemade hair growth oil and I've been using it there, and it's been working and making that spot grow out. So I'm just happy. Very soon I'll share that recipe with you guys. So I just detangle and put my hair in sections. I like to do sections of 4 because it's so much easier to detangle and even to wash. And repeat the same process to the other section of the hair and just detangle and pack it up. So this is how much hair I lost after detangling. It is not much and I'm really happy because I always have lots of breakage. So I go in with the Mega Growth Stimulating Shampoo. I started using this shampoo recently and I love it. It's doing the Lord's work basically. So I wash my hair in sections. So for the first section I just wet my hair with water and then go in with the shampoo and try to lather it as much as I can.
Snatch my soul like if only they knew that you get me. Hours, love it, romance, deep strokes, focus, passion, make me hit them.
Since I had carried my braids for a month plus, my hair was really dirty, so I had to wash my hair twice. And I noticed the Mega Growth shampoo is quite minty. It has this minty sensation or feeling But if your hair is very dirty, you won't feel it in the first wash, and it doesn't lather as much in the first wash because of the dirt. But in the second wash, most of the dirts are out and you can feel the mint in it, and it lathers more in the second wash. So I try to use my fingers to detangle my hair while I'm washing. It makes it easier, and just to get rid of any knots that might build up during the washing process. I repeat the same process to other sections of the hair. I had a silk press before I had done my braids, and I didn't use any heat protectant, and this was the result, guys. If you're going to use heat on your hair, please make sure you put in heat protectant, because it will save you from this heartbreak. I had heat damage here, and I'm just happy it wasn't much. So I go in next with the Mega Growth Detangling Conditioner, since I was done washing all my hair. And I just put that in and massage it into my hair strands. So I try to detangle. And you can see how easy it was for me to detangle. So I just repeat the same process for the rest of my hair. So after detangling my hair with the conditioner in it, I just go in with a leather bag to cover my hair. Big hair, big problems. So I cover my hair with a leather bag. If you have a shower cap, it's fine. You can use that. It works just fine as well. But I didn't have a shower cap, so I just went in with a leather bag, and I'm going to cover my hair for 30 to 45 minutes before coming back to rinse out my hair. So this is how much hair I had lost after washing and detangling. It's not as much as the first one. So it's been 45 minutes already, and I just came back to rinse out the conditioner from my hair.
Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling.
After rinsing in sections, I rinse the entire hair at once, just in case. So I go in with the cotton clothes, like a t-shirt I have that I no longer use. I'm just going to, reduce the water in my hair. I'm going with my Cantù Leave-in conditioner. I also use this hair moisturizer, the Indian hemp cream, and the hair growth oil I made. I just put it in this empty bottle I had. So I put that together and I massage it in my hair. I also do this in sections so that I can get enough in every corner of my hair. You can see I'm putting the hair growth oil in my bald spot area. This is what has been helping my hair grow since I made it. Honestly, I feel like I have magic hands, I swear. Well, yeah, so I just repeat the same process in my whole hair, section by section, and that's it. I wear the leather bag and then go to bed. So this is the next morning. I had to go and cornrow my hair. She said she couldn't plait my hair in its natural state and she just had to blow it out. If you're a natural girl with fussy hair, you know the struggle. I noticed this bald spot again. I think it's because I had carried my braids for too long and I think one strand of the braid pulled off and that was what caused the bald spot, but we will survive. So I just put my hair in cornrows. It's easier for me to handle. It prevents breakage as well. Thank you guys for always supporting me. Thank you guys for watching this video to this very point. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to share, don't forget to like, don't forget to leave a comment as well. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.